Hi, welcome to this computer. And I'm gonna make a video about the Sardi and the servant icons. You've seen already another video that if you type in yay Sardi, you get a lot of stuff. And at this point in time, everything is up to date. These other packages, you know the Sardi icons because of this package, Sardi, right? And there's another one that you know, and that's the servant icons. So that's that one. So you can install more. This is installed the servant mint y icons, but probably you don't have it. And there's also servant arc breeze, which is actually just for the guys on Plasma. So my video is going to be about Sardi, and what I do and what you can do and reuse as well is go inside Control H. Do I have it already? Probably. There is this ArcoLinux Nemesis GitHub that is available for everybody to get at github.com/ and Eric Dubois is the name. It's ArcoLinux Nemesis, and it does not need to be your nemesis. It's just a fun name we took, and it sticks, you know. So that's what you download. You download the zip, you unpack the zip, and what you get this, or you git clone it, and then you have this. I need to test my icons all the time, so I have here an uninstall all icons Sardi mint icons, uninstall all icons Sardi extra packer version 2, and I have here the all install servant mint y. I have it install servant, and I have somewhere install Sardi icons. Looking for them, looking up, that one and that one. So basically that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna run this and show you how it looks, and then how amazing actually Sardi is, in the sense that we can have so many icons. So install the Sardi icons, that's done, right? So we have it, it's on our systems. What we're talking about is that you can have even more. There's already a lot, and then I'm telling you there's hundreds more. Okay, so install Sardi icons, not needed, but the Sardi extra is needed. So that one I can install, and it's going to install everything, Sardi orb, colora, variations, and so on and so on and so on. So where do all these things come from? Because on Eric Dubois website you'll find a lot of videos, a lot of explanations that Sardi is actually an SVG. Well, all these icons are SVGs, which means you can edit them, you can make scripts to change colors, and that's basically what I did. So here's an overview, and then all new numbering, all stuff, Sardi installation, how to do it. But Sardi is flexible, come on. Sardi is flexible, modular, and so on. So a lot of information and videos, you know me, that's my personal website, modularity, adding things to others, right? So using the Numix folders in this case, and so on and so on. 103, here's a number, 103 extra. So the Sardi extras have a lot of information. So you check that out. I need to type here something, I don't know why. Probably installation. And everything is going to be installed. And then of course later on we can select it, simple as that. So it's version 20.3.6 like the others. So let's wait for this to install and have a look what this is all about. Or I can go in here and go to user, do user share. I will use my time to make another theme. Yes, you can make thousands of themes. No, 16 million of themes. No, even more. But we have 16 million colors to choose from. That's why I say this number. So for instance, let's make something I would like to create. Let's say I like to create another Sardi Sardi papyrus I think I'm gonna like Papyrus, Casablanca. This is one I like. I really like Sardi Mono, Papyrus, Colora, Casablanca. Whew. Why this strange naming? Sardi, right? And then the mono, so means all gray. Papyrus is the name of the color. Colora means it's, well, no, Papyrus is the folder, you know, Papyrus icon theme. Colora means you can change the colors, do so 16 million colors possible. And Casablanca is the color, which is a yellow orange kind of thing. So this is a beautiful color, user share icons. So you see all these packages are being built and being dumped into your user share icons. So later on we can play with them, but I'm gonna play with them now. Let's see. So the Sardi Mono is my choice. Let's see the mono new mix. Everything is flipping all the time here, moving. Makes it hard for me to. So that one is the one I like. Nope, that's not the one I like. That's the one I like. Control C. I'm gonna try with that one. Put it on my desktop. Gonna play with it. What's in here? What's in here is a lot of scripts. You see, you have lots of possibilities, and in here is just one thing. If you like the color, you like the color. If it's on black, it's quite nice. But maybe you'd like it a little bit more orange or a little bit more yellow. It's your choice. 60 million colors of choice. So many possibilities. So here we have scripts, and these scripts are we ran all the scripts. We ran every one of them, and this one is gonna be called Papyrus Colora Violet. So you get already the idea. It's gonna be violet. Valencia, you wouldn't know. Turquoise, you know as well. Havelock, probably not. Cornflower, yeah, maybe, yeah. So yellow. Burn is probably gonna be red, right? So the idea or the naming of the color is actually just coming from the internet. So they have all names, all these colors. So that's what I did. Now I want you to create another one. If you say this is gonna be awesome, then you have to open this thing up. This one, the one I liked was Casablanca, but it doesn't matter with which one you start. It's actually, you should start with this one actually. Create new icon theme cache. I think, no, change colors, that's the one. This is the one you start with. This is just the cache, so changing this one. It's finished. Okay, let's put this aside. Let's just show you what we've all installed at this point in time. It's already enough. Why make another one? I think you'll find with 100 extra icons, you have lots of choices. So scroll on the web. This is no problem in XFCE. I'm not sure if this is a problem in Plasma because you get hundreds of folders he has to go through. So experiment with it. I'm gonna show you my folders like that. So the hidden folders, the normal folders, the files. So in my home. When I change, we get all these changes. We get all these guys as well. Aquamarine, never seen before. Black Rock, right? New. Botticelli, right? Botticelli colors. So Sardi Colora, Sardi Fabric. I won't go to everything. You know, Sardi is always going to be the same. You know Sardi, but it's just this that changes. But hey, why not, right? Halloween. It's like the pumpkin, I suppose. Lime colors, slate color, twine, Vikings. Watching the Vikings at the moment. Netflix advertising. Don't do it, Eric. Sardi Flats, nice. Okay. Sardi Flat Colora. Still had that, but this one is new. Why not take this one? Maybe you like it. Cosmic, Deep Sky, Edgewater, Majestic, Polo, Portage. Do like this one as well. Slates, when I'm down, right? Tulip Tree, Evo Pop, Surf Flat New Mix, Polo, Flexible Blood, Bahamas, Colora, Golden, Emeralds. We go for the Faba color, right? Fire, Golden, Hibiscus, Love Colora, the golden one. That's not yet the one I like, but here you see the difference, right? So we skip probably sooner, but we have Sardi Flexible, which is the blue one, and then we get variations on the theme. another folder, another folder. It's just a script that changes all these folders. You want to have this kind of look? Great, have fun. You can change all these icons with a little script to 16 million colors. So be glad I just took 100. Why not this one? Have a look. I like this one as well. Right? Just neat. Slick is the word. Slick. Cow. I did not invent these color codes, I tell you. But it's nice. It means you have variations, and that's the thing. Now I need a white background, you see? That would be nicer. Baltic red, a little touch. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's just a little touch. Totally different. And that's the creative part in me, right? You get a script, you change the icons, and you get this awesome, great look to say, okay, this is the look for me for the coming week or the day, and that's it, and you try it out. It's all possible thanks to scripts, thanks to the fact I still keep this thing as SVG, because lots of developers are changing to PNG, which is understandable, but I'm keeping it so it can be changed, it can be scripted. A PNG cannot be changed. That's so fixed. You always need to start with an SVG. Those are the new ones again. So Sardi mono with this particular folder. Botticelli is also quite nice, right? Deep Sky Blue is a new one. Heather is a new one. Mandy is a new one. And those are known. This is Colora, that's known, and now we get variations on Colora. So what if we 1, 2, 3, 4 things, 4 colors out of 16 million colors, and you get new combinations. That's as simple as that. Run the script and 3000 icons have been changed in 3 seconds. I couldn't do it faster, even if I wanted to. Also a nice one. But then again, that's also personal, right? Choose your color. Nice, all right, I don't know. This is the one I used to work with in the past, which I liked. We're still not there, 100, right? 100. This is also a nice slick thing. All kind of colors. If you like the icon, then it's just a matter of changing the color to the color you like, and that's basically what I did. Going a bit faster now, you get the message. There's also a nice one, but now we have this as basis, right? The Sardi orb, but then with another folder. So it's so easy to make a beautiful Linux system. It's so boring on Windows and the Mac. It's always the same, and here we can do whatever we want. Every piece of your machine can be changed to what you want, and that's that. Finally, we are at the end. So at some point in time you decide what you like, because they are divided in partitions, in groups, and you install just one group. That would be the best thing to do. Now you uninstall it as well. Uninstall is faster, of course, than no, that's not the one. Extra. Going to be faster, but it needs to be done if you want to get a clean machine again. So everything is there for you to try out, for me to try out. Why would I type this all in? Make scripts, guys, make scripts. So there was one thing I haven't shown you now, which is the Sardi Mint Y themes. That's also a nice one. I don't think that was in there. Which is actually a combination with Mint icons and the one from Linux Mint, right? But Linux Mint got their icons from somebody else, right? It's always from somebody else. And this is Horse3180, the developer of the Arc theme that we use at this point in time. Well, it's actually in the meantime Nico Hood, which is now stopping, but we'll see what happens. It's always in movement, in change, and yeah, There's only one thing you can do, live with it. So we're getting the Sardi Ghost Flexible Mint Y icons in at this point. I see here my icon is broken. You see? Nice. Why? Very simple. I chose an icon that I deleted. So in here, in the software, in the file somewhere, it says, hey, this is, by the way, the Arc icon theme from Horse 3180. You see? But hey, you like it or you don't like it. That's up to you. But it's the Arc icon theme. We provide you with others. Let's look for a Mint Y already. This one is a Mint Y. Still installing. That's a brown one. All right. He is installing, he's installing. So basically what we do with a nice package build, I get the icons from the GitHub from Linux Mint and put them together, smash them together with Sardi. You can make these package builds as well. So take a look at it online on the AUR. Trashing. Let's see if we can get another one. Appearance, icons. So let's go to take a look at the colors, because basically every one of them has the same colors. This is aqua color for Linux Mint. This is the blue color, the brown color, the gray color, orange color. Nice, okay, pink color, purple color, red color. I did not choose the color. Let me be clear on that. This is straight from Linux Mint, right? And you choose whether you like it or not. Now we're based on the Sardi, so the difference is this one, the lead, the apps. These are the apps. And the rest is the folder. Okay, so we can find more. Yes, you can find more here, right? The blue one together with the other one. And the pink one, why not, with pink. So it's just a matter of choice and hooking it up after Sardi, Sardi Mono, Sardi Flexible, Sardi Flat. And that's it, basically. It's finished. So I guess I have everything. Now, if you're installing just like me, and in the meantime looking, you need to reload it because it needs to check out again what's new. Sardi Ghost Flexible, the Mint. So we have here the Mint orange. Maybe like this as a view, or did we have everything? I guess so. I'll leave it up to you guys to check it out. Again, we want to get rid of it. That's important as well. So ls uninstall, uninstall me what? All icons Sardi Mint Y icons. Up and off they go. Of course, my system will crash here because I've selected a Mint Y icon theme, and boom, right? That's normal. This is the beautiful theme of, I don't know, GNOME or something. Advaita, beautiful one, the only one. They say so very proudly. Yes, so nice. In another area of time, maybe. All right, so I'm out, guys. Have experiment with it. It's great to have some more choices, and that's what this is, choice. All right, cheers.